Raising Indian Ringneck parrots. Before the age of 2, they're just like a typical 2-year-old. They have their little tantrums. They'll let you know what they don't like and what they do like. They like to make a huge mess and throw food everywhere. Don't chew. Yes, all down there. They chew everything. So they've started chewing all my wood above my windowsill, so I have to fix all this, the little terrace. Sheet up for the moment until I can fix it all so she doesn't get up here. It's mostly Echo that's been chewing everything lately. So I have learnt with female Indian ringneck parrots, they're very moody. Yeah, sometimes she wants a pat, other times she'll want to bite you. Sometimes she'll sit and chew all the toys. Otherwise, she started climbing up and chewing all the wood around my room. So if they don't have constant attention and someone to talk to or things to do, they get very destructive, especially the females, I've noticed. And the mood swings, well, typical female, yeah, a little bitch sometimes, aren't you? Yeah, see? Your little terror. Yeah, so the females are really moody, and yeah, they're very moody for breeding season and molting. Buddy was a lot younger when I picked him up as well, so he would have only been about not even a year old when I picked him up, when he was left in his cage for over 6 months. Yeah, so he's turned into an absolutely amazing boy. So I must say the boy Indian Ringnecks are the most friendliest. They're the ones who want to hang out and learn how to talk and get into all the mischief. So a boy Indian Ringneck is more full on than a female for sure, because he is a little terror and it's like raising a toddler all over again, isn't it? Yeah, and he likes to get into everything, but he doesn't chew the walls or anything like Echo started to do, so I'm happy about that. So I'm thinking of getting a huge cage for them both so I can set up in the corner, especially for the end of this year, because we're going to be in breeding season again. So hopefully Buddy and Echo will breed this year. So planning on getting a huge cage and getting her used to that. And yeah, basically they just roam around and fly around the room as they please, hang out with their toys, and yeah, mostly do what they want. So this is my first trial with parrots, as most of you know, so it is a huge learning curve for me as well, and there's a lot of putting holes I need to do now. So yeah, they're full-on birds. They need constant attention. They're very messy parrots, but all birds are messy, so yeah, but they're the nicest, sweetest, innocent souls. Yeah, they've been beautiful to work with, especially get to know them both coming out of their shell, especially Buddy. So yeah, I'm happy to say I'm happy to own Indian Ringnecks. They're a full-time job, and if you're looking to own one yourself, then yeah, you need a lot of attention and time for them. Yeah, they love hanging out and doing everything with you, don't you? Yeah. Alright guys, so that's just my opinion on raising Indian Ringnecks. I've had them for 7 months now, so yeah. Thanks for watching, and thank you for all the support that you guys are giving them both. We really appreciate it. Alright guys, take care of yourselves, and we'll see you later.